Dear student, welcome to my YouTube channel. Dear student, today we start on topic of salts here. In this chapter, in earlier videos, we can complete that is acid and bases. The chemical properties of acid, chemical properties of base, chemical reactions of acid and base, and in this way different topic is there and topic of indicator also. Today we start one topic here that is more about salts. In this topic here we study the different salts there. Firstly, we study the nature of salt or pH of salt. Means here salt have neutral or acidic in nature or basic in nature. Means we study the nature of salt. Firstly, pH of salt there. Then here different salts like common salt, sodium chloride. Then here there is sodium carbonate, sodium bicarbonate, bleaching powder and other there. Their chemical properties, their uses, their chemical reactions and in this way. Today we start one topic here more about salt, and in this topic here we study the pH of salt firstly. pH of salt. How we study the pH of salts. pH of salt means where it indicates the hydrogen ion concentration of salt or hydroxyl ion concentration of salt. Means that pH of salt is depend upon its reaction between acid and base. We studied that is neutralization reaction in earlier video. If the strong acid react with strong base, then salt is produced there, and such salt is a neutral salt because that is a strong acid neutralize the properties of strong base and strong base neutralize the properties of strong acid, means destroy the properties of each other there. Hence the salt in this chemical reaction or product in this chemical reaction is a neutral there. Means in this way, here how we study the pH of salt. That is, if on one point here, when the salt can be produced there, here salt is the product. Salt is the product of chemical reaction. Chemical reaction between acid and base. Chemical reaction between acid and base. When acid and base react with each other, that forms a salt and water. When that is salt is neutral, when salt is acidic and when salt is basic. Look here, firstly we study the neutral salt. Firstly we study the neutral salt here. When that salt is neutral, when strong acid react with strong base, then the salt is produced and its pH is exactly 7 and that salt is called a neutral salt. Means look here, when strong acid react with strong base, then salt is neutral. When strong acid react with strong base, then salt is neutral and pH of salt is 7. Neutral salt is there and the pH of that neutral salt is 7, means if the pH value is 7, then that indicates the neutral salt. Then second point here, there is acidic salt or acidic nature. When the salt is acidic, when acid is strong, when strong acid react with the weak base, then the nature of salt is acidic because it is totally depend upon the strongness of that acid. Means look here, when that salt is acidic, when strong acid strong acid react with weak base. When strong acid react with weak base, then salt is acidic, pH is more than 7. pH of salt is more than 7. Means if that, pH of salt is less than 7. pH of salt is less than 7 means if that pH is less than 7, then it indicates the acidic nature. Dear student, we study that is the nature here by using the pH scale. How we indicate the acidic nature of substance on pH scale. If the pH value is from 0 to 7 or less than 7, then the substance is acidic, or pH value is more than 7 up to 14, then that substance is basic. And if the pH is exactly 7, then substance is neutral. Look here, when the salt is acidic, when strong acid react with weak base, then salt is acidic, pH is less than 7. Here this point is important here. pH is less than 7. Then the salt is said to be the acidic salt, pH value is less than 7. Then number 3, that is a basic salt. How we indicate that basic salt is there? When that salt is basic, dear student, when strong base react with a weak acid, then pH of such salt is more than 7. Hence the salt is said to be the basic salt, because that nature of salt is depend upon the strongness of base. Means when strong base react with a weak acid, then a nature of salt is basic. When strong base react with weak acid, when strong base react with weak acid, then salt is basic. When strong base react with weak acid, then salt is basic, and pH is more than 7. pH of salt is more than 7. Means in this way, here we indicate the pH of salt, and it is totally, nature of salt is totally depend upon that which acid and base they get react with each other. Means in this way, if that pH of salt is 7, then that's said to be the neutral salt. If pH of 7 is less than 7, then it is said to be the acidic salt. And if the pH of salt is more than 7, then it is called, or it is said to be the basic salt. Means in this way, dear student, here we study that is pH of salt and nature of salt. Dear student, now we study that is a salt. Here we start the salt. Firstly, here we study the common salt or sodium chloride. Look here. Firstly, here we study the common salt. Is a sodium chloride there. Common salt. Firstly, here we study the common salt. That is how we study that is common salt. First salt is there, a common salt. Common salt. Here all of us are familiar to the common salt. Dear student, we use the common salt in our day-to-day life in preparation of food, because taste of food is totally depend upon the common salt. Small quantity of common salt is put into the food preparation of food, and common salt is a source of iodine for our body. And iodine for our body is very essential there in a little quantity, but it essentially is very essential. Its requirement is essential because it maintains the secretion of thyroid gland and to maintain the mental ability of the person there. Means in this way, this common salt is very important to human body here. Common salt. firstly we study the common information about that common salt. Its chemical name, chemical name of common salt is sodium chloride. Chemical name of common salt is sodium chloride. You know, it is the product of neutralization reaction. In yesterday video we study that is how that common salt get produced there. NaCl gets produced when strong HCl react with the NaOH. HCl react with NaOH, then that product is neutral salt. NaCl is there. Means chemical name of this common salt, that sodium chloride. What is its molecular formula? What is its molecular formula? Molecular formula NaCl is there. Molecular formula of this common salt is NaCl. NaCl. Then color of salt is white color. Color of salt is white color and crystalline form. White color and crystalline form. Nature of salt is neutral. Nature of salt is a neutral nature is there. Means in this way it is the neutral salt. Look here, but dear student, that is seawater is the big source of the common salt here. You know that common salt obtained from the seawater, and it is the reddish color, or you know here that reddish color salt is there, and it is present in a big crystals there, and that is called a rock salt, impure salt. That is the impure form of the salt, and that is called a rock salt. Means common salt obtained from seawater. Common salt obtained from seawater called rock salt. You know this topic is related to your objective question. That common salt obtained from the seawater, and that is called a rock salt. And you know is a impure salt. Impure salt or impure form of salt. Means in this way that is the common information about that salt. And you know common salt is a raw material for different chemicals. Means common salt is used to preparation of sodium hydroxide. Common salt is used to preparation of chlorine gas. Common salt is used to preparation of hydrogen gas. Means in this way these are the uses of that common salt there. Means how it is useful to prepare the sodium hydroxide. How it is useful to prepare the sodium hydroxide. Means you know here, common salt is a raw material for different chemicals, and it is used to produce the different chemical substances. Look here, common salt is the raw material for different chemicals. Raw material for different chemicals used to preparation of sodium hydroxide, chlorine gas and hydrogen gas. Chlorine gas and hydrogen gas. Means common salt is used to preparation of sodium hydroxide, chlorine gas and hydrogen gas when it react with water, when it dissolve in water. Means how we write the chemical reaction when it dissolves in water. When it dissolves in water. Means when common salt gets dissolved in water, it is used to preparation of sodium hydroxide, chlorine gas and hydrogen gas. What is the chemical equation of this process? What is the chemical equation? Means twice NaCl plus 2H2O, 2 NaCl plus 2H2O, that gives 2 NaOH, sodium hydroxide. Dear student, to understand carefully the equations there, because that analysis of equation is most important here. That 2 NaCl plus 2H2O, that forms 2 NaOH plus Cl2 gas plus hydrogen gas, means these are the product in this chemical reaction. NaOH is sodium hydroxide. NaOH is sodium hydroxide. Cl2 means a chlorine gas. Cl2 means chlorine gas and H2 means hydrogen gas. Means in this way, that is the common salt here. These chemical equations and chemical reactions of these salts are very important here. Please understand this topic carefully. Make a practice in your notebook. Write a notes in your notebook. And hence, dear student, please subscribe my YouTube channel. All of you subscribe my YouTube channel to watch all these videos. Because when school should be open, I will give the practice, more practice by using these video lectures. Hence, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Today we complete this common salt. In next video, in just tomorrow here, we can start the sodium carbonate and sodium bicarbonate, washing soda and baking soda. And hence please subscribe my YouTube channel, and thanks to watching this video.